No.
This is ground level.
How you going, Flano?
Good, yeah.
Good, mate.
Call. Let's go.
Yeah, boy. I'm on. Spin time.
Trust our halves to get us in the right spot of the field, kick long, focus on our D, kick chase. We put so much effort in over the summer, boys. Do it now. This is the fun part. Versus someone else that people don't know what's coming. Play each other, back each other. Things go wrong, boys. It's going to happen. Live with it, have a bit of fun, go after it, know you're right. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's all three. 1, 2, 3. Chase!
We need 1 second. 1 second there and we solve that. It helps. We don't just put the tools to help him. Get a second, we can help him.
All of 5 meters.